What if you could direct a professional film without a crew, without a budget, and without months of pre-production? Welcome to Higsfield Cinema Studio 2.0, the AI filmmaking platform that turns your creative vision into cinematic reality. Excited? In the next 7 minutes, I'll show you exactly how Higsfield is the first platform that connects character creation, cinematic-grade image generation, and video direction into one seamless workflow. Let's go. Start by going to Higgsfield.ai. The full Higgsfield cinematic pipeline is simple. First, you build your hero frame. That's your visual anchor. Then you cast your characters. Finally, you animate and direct everything in Cinema Studio 2.0. Before you jump into video, you need a foundation. Thoughtful. This is where Soul Cinema Preview comes in. Soul Cinema is Higgsfield's newest cinematic image model, designed to generate film-quality stills with Hollywood-grade lighting, texture, and depth of field. Think of Soul Cinema like your director's reference. It creates images that actually look like they were shot on a film set, not AI-generated. The model excels at mood-driven scenes, rich textures, natural grain, and era-specific aesthetics. Here's the critical part. Describe your hero frame using specific cinematic language. Instead of saying, a person sitting, say, close-up shot of weathered hands holding a vintage letter, golden hour sunlight, 16mm film grain, moody atmosphere. This specificity is what transforms a generic AI image into a cinematic reference. Soul Cinema's strength areas are close-ups, mood-driven compositions, and detailed textures. Once you have your hero frame, you can enhance it further using Higgsfield's editing tools to adjust lighting conditions or refine angles. This becomes your visual blueprint for everything that comes next. Now you need consistent characters. This is where Soulcast revolutionizes AI filmmaking. Soulcast is a milestone update inside Cinema Studio 2.0 that allows creatives to generate fully customizable AI actors. Instead of writing prompts and hoping characters stay consistent, Soulcast uses deterministic parameters. Think of it like casting real actors. Select across 8 categories. First, genre. Are you making an action film, drama, thriller, or sci-fi? Then budget. Is this a studio blockbuster or indie production? This influences the overall visual quality. Era sets the time period. Modern, 1950s, Victorian, futuristic. Archetype defines their role. Hero, caregiver, rebel, lover, or 8 other archetypes that shape their narrative presence. Identity lets you specify gender, race, and age range. Physical appearance controls build and features. Slim, average, athletic, muscular, stocky, or plus size. Plus height, eye color, hairstyle, texture, and color, and facial hair. Details adds texture. Scars, tattoos, freckles. Imperfections that make characters feel real. Finally, outfit determines clothing and style. Casual, formal, high fashion, military, sporty, workwear, or vintage. The magic here is consistency. Once you set these parameters, your character remains identical across every scene you generate. No more AI face drift. No more, the actor looks different in shot 3. This is deterministic filmmaking. You can create multiple characters this way. Each one is fully customizable and remains consistent across your entire production. This is what separates Cinema Studio from every other AI video tool. Interested in protecting your character? Soulcast offers exclusive character rights. You can own your AI actor forever so others can't generate them. A new kind of intellectual property just entered the chat. Now it's time to animate and direct. Switch to the Video tab and click Cinema Studio 2.0, a professional workspace that simulates a physical film studio. This is where the filmmaking really happens. First, describe your scene using the Director panel. Write your shot description. And here's the critical workflow. Use Obler symbols to reference characters you created with Soulcast. For example, hero arrives at abandoned mansion, storm approaching, thunder in distance, cinematic dolly movement. This links your cast members directly to your scene. Next, configure your shots. You can generate up to 6 shots in a sequence. Each shot needs specific parameters. Look at the aspect ratio selector. 16.9 is standard cinematic, but adjust based on your platform. Select your resolution. 2K offers professional quality. 1080p balances quality and speed. The critical control here is your camera setup. Select your virtual camera. You're choosing a specific cinema lens profile. A 35mm prime creates intimate, immersive framing. A 50mm prime creates theatrical presence. A 24mm creates dynamic, wide environmental shots. This is professional cinematography control inside an AI tool. Configure your motion: pan, tilt, truck, dolly, orbit, zoom, drone, static, or handheld. This is deterministic motion control. No timelines or keyframes, just select the movement type. Add your characters and assign emotions. In your prompt, specify emotional states. Hero looks devastated, tears in eyes, hands shaking, slow camera push-in. Emotional specificity creates narratively coherent footage instead of visually random clips. Click Generate to create 2 variations of your sequence. Higsfield renders cinematic AI video with camera movement and character consistency across all shots. Look at your results. Use the upscale tool to enhance to 4K. Use editing tools to adjust lighting conditions, enhance contrast, or modify specific frames. Use the angle tool to generate multiple camera angles from the same scene setup. Now scale this up. In Cinema Studio 2.0, you don't generate one scene. You generate complete multi-shot sequences. Build sequences that advance your narrative. Each sequence generation outputs actual cinematic video with camera movement, depth, and continuity. Stack multiple sequences together. Add transitions between shots using Higgsfield's transitions tool, Raven transition, airbending, smoke transition, flying cam transition. These aren't cheesy effects. They're designed for professional film editing. Use the video upscale to bring everything to consistent 4K quality. Use Lip Sync Studio to add dialogue and speaking characters. In one platform, you've built a complete cinematic workflow that traditionally required a production team. Before you start, 3 quick advanced moves. First, use the mood board tool before generating any scenes. Create a visual reference collection, color grades, lighting setups, composition styles. This ensures tonal consistency across your entire film. Second, if you want to refine characters and environments before Cinema Studio, pass your Soul Cinema frames through Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. These refinement tools give you even more control before animation. Third, use the community gallery to study how other filmmakers are structuring Cinema Studio sequences. Get inspired by what's possible. The gap between AI-generated clips and true cinematic storytelling just collapsed. Higsfield Cinema Studio 2.0 isn't just generating video. It's giving you directorial control, cinematographic precision, and character consistency that used to require months of filming and thousands in production costs. Go to Higgsfield.ai. Start with a hero frame using Soul Cinema. Build your cast with Soulcast. Structure your scenes in Cinema Studio 2.0 and generate your film. The technology is ready. Your stories deserve to be told cinematically.